The voting registration is currently open for the next Sikyong election and election of parliament members. Why is it important for us Tibetans to be active in our democratic process?
You know, there are around 35 million political refugees. 5 or 6 millions of Venezuelans, and Iran and Cambodian and Belarusian. It's just, of course, Uyghurs, Hong Kong, all that. Among these 50, some say even 60 exile communities, our government exile is the best, most efficient, functioning government. We all should take pride in that. No one has. You might read about Iranian issues, Belarusians, and these are all very high-profile issues in the international platforms. I just met with more than a dozen Iranian leaders in Prague. I will end up spending an hour and 55 minutes because they really want to learn, And then number one is that in the last 20 years, there is decline of democracy around the world. Voter registration is decreasing. Yes. Voter participation is decreasing. Tibetan community is the only one where voter registration is increasing. Voter participation is increasing, So that shows that we are small, but our democracy is very vibrant and dynamic. And that Green Book is something no exile community has. And they all want to emulate that. Green Book is something you should be very, very proud of. Your voter participation is a badge of honor.
Yes.
No exile community has. And also, even among the democratic countries around the world, no one, participates in elections like us. So it's utmost important that Tibetans should cancel all the noises, And as I said, look at glass half full. Tibetan government exile is the best, most effective functioning government exile compared to anyone. Something His Holiness envisioned this, we embrace it, and we have made something, I don't want to say magical, but something we should be really, really proud of. And, participating in the process of election, democracy is very, very important. So all must go vote, irrespective of who the candidates are. Some you like, some you don't like. But your participation will make our democracy stronger. It is already the best model, the best there is for the whole world to see. Isn't that beautiful?
Yes.